In this video, I'll show you how to scrape Alibaba product listings automatically using Apify. We'll extract data like product titles, prices, discounts, minimum order quantities, supplier names, ratings, and delivery estimates from Alibaba's search results. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. First, go to Alibaba.com. In the search bar, type in the product you're looking for. For this example, let's search for Samsung Galaxy. Now go to Apify and search for Alibaba Listing Scraper. Open the actor page. In the input field, paste the search keyword. Let's type in Samsung Galaxy. You can also set the total number of items to scrape. Let's set it to 60, then click Start. The actor will automatically scrape Alibaba listings based on your search keyword. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to see the results. Each record contains the product title, price, promotion price, discount percentage, minimum order quantity, supplier name, country, review score, and delivery estimate. You can export the dataset as CSV, JSON, or Excel. Use this data for supplier discovery, wholesale price monitoring, product sourcing, or competitive analysis. The link to the actors in the video description. Thanks for watching.